With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is equivalent weight of chlorine molecule in the equation is 3Cl2 with 6 NaOH gives 5 NaCl with NaClO3 and 3 H2O. ABCD options are given here. So we have to choose the correct option. So the solution of this question is we have that 3Cl2 6 NaOH will gives 5 times of NaCl with NaClO3 and with 3 times of H2O. So we know that oxidation is occur as when 6 OH ion is reacted with half Cl2, that is 0.5 Cl2. So it will give 2 ClO3 negative with 5 electron and with 3 H2O, and reduction is done. Oxidation is addition of hydrogen and reduction is removal of hydrogen. So this is 5/2 Cl2 when reacted with a 5 electrons, so it will give 5 Cl negative. So we can say that 3 moles of Cl2, as this is 1/5, 5/2 and 1/2, that is 6/2, that is 3 moles of Cl2, and we have the 5 moles of electron are involved in the redox reaction. Redox reaction is the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction is done. So we have the molar mass of chlorine Cl2 is 35.5 multiplied by 2, that is 71. So we have to calculate the equivalent weight or equivalent mass of chlorine. So this will equals to equivalent molar mass divided by number of moles, that is 5/3 here. So this will equals to 42.6 gram per mole, and this is the answer for this question. So from this we can say that option A is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.